Hello, and welcome to dotSource Research. I'm René Zimmermann, and I'm a CRM and marketing automation consultant at dotSource. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Salesforce platform to generate significantly more leads, identify opportunities early, and significantly improve your service. We'll be demonstrating three systems from the Salesforce today: the Sales Cloud as a CRM solution, Pardot as a marketing automation system, and, as you already see behind me, B2B Commerce as an online shop. B2B Commerce gives us the ability to simply make changes to and configure the storefront. That means we can change the slider, we can move, adjust, or even remove various titles. And, of course, you also have the ability to implement your own CI-compliant design. In order to generate more leads, we've included a link on the product detail page, which allows customers to download more information about a product or price list. With this link, customers now access a landing page, which we've created with Pardot. Here, they're asked to enter their information into a form and send it. Afterwards, they automatically receive an email with the information or the price list. At the same time, the data is transferred directly to the CRM system, and a new lead is created. This lead can now be further enriched with data in the CRM system for later qualification. Pardot helps us with lead scoring and grading. Scoring describes how much a customer is interested in our products. So it tells us which pages they visited, which products they looked at, and what email they opened and clicked. Grading, on the other hand, tells us how much we as a company are interested in this person. Are they a decision maker? Are they in the right industry? What's their revenue like? The Pardot Lifecycle Report shows us how successful we've been in lead generation. Here, we can see how many unknown visitors we've identified as new leads using forms. How many of them have been qualified by marketing and sales and have made a purchase. And finally, how much revenue we have generated with these newly generated leads. The advantage is obvious due to the native integration of the three systems. We've got no interface development. We can support our marketing and sales directly in qualifying leads. We have comprehensive cross-channel reporting. In addition to a developed lead management process, it's extremely important for B2B companies to identify opportunities early on. In our demo, we're using two solutions: Salesforce Sales Cloud as a CRM system and B2B Commerce as an online shop solution. This native integration of the system allows us to track all interactions in the shop directly in the CRM system. With this, our sales representative has a 360-degree view of customers. That means they can see at a glance which clients they work with, which contacts are deposited, and which opportunities are open. The native integration of these two systems gives us additional insight into all customer interactions in our online shop. We see which shopping carts are open, which have been canceled, and which have already been shipped. We also get information about orders and invoices that have been sent, and also have the option of assigning different price groups for customers. Price groups give us the opportunity to assign different discounts to customers. So, for example, we can give a long-standing customer a 20% discount on all our products. If this customer now logs into the online shops, they'll see all products but with individualized prices. In order to be able to identify sales opportunities early and follow them up, we'll use the process builder from the CRM system. The native integration of the systems gives us the opportunity to access the objects from the online shop directly from the CRM system. In our example, we're evaluating whether a shopping cart's value of the store is larger or smaller than 10,000 euros. If a shopping cart's value is less than 10,000 euros, we'll create a case and assign it to a service representative. If a shopping cart's value is greater than 10,000 euros, an opportunity is created and the sales rep is informed accordingly. Let's go over the benefits again. The native integration of two systems requires no interface development. We get a look at all of an online shop's customer shopping cart and all their interactions. We can present complex pricing models and can map company-specific processes with Process Builder. In addition to generating leads and selling products, B2B companies are facing another often neglected challenge: customer service. I'll show you how to overcome this challenge using the Salesforce platform in a use case. In our B2B Commerce shop, we've included a form which a customer can use to ask a question or let the company know what problem they're having. Right as they complete the form, all the info they entered will end up in the CRM system. Behind me is our CRM system's service console, a service employee's work interface. This can sort the tickets in the left list by priority or status, and as soon as they process a ticket, they'll see all the info they need. They'll see the subject, which person created the ticket, and all related tickets. In the next column, service employees can interact with customers, like in our service email. Because it's possible a problem isn't solved or a question isn't answered in the first email, there's also an email history. That means the customer service representative or one of their colleagues can see what has already been said here. Of course, a customer service representative doesn't always have the right solution or answer. Salesforce Knowledge, the far right column, is for this situation. Here are suggestions, ready-made email templates, or support articles that help customer service representatives quickly resolve a problem. In other words, the value added of such a services console is clearly the quick response time from many customer service reps. After all, at a time when companies can barely stand above prices or availability, service is playing an increasingly important role. If you have any questions about our use cases or your own personal requirements, my team and I are here to help. Make sure you don't miss any digital trends. Just subscribe to our channel now.